Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's David and here I do a mixture of different types of videos just to confuse everybody, but mainly guitar, music and food and cookery related videos. Today I've got a video about this guitar behind me which I repaired recently. It's a Casio PG-310 and I'm just going to be doing a little bit of experimenting on this video to see what kind of sounds I can get out of it, both normal guitar sounds and also using the internal synthesizer which is built into it. So I'm just plugging the guitar part in. So I'll just go through the different sounds. So we've got a 5-way selector switch. The top knob is the volume, the guitar volume, and the bottom knob is tone. That's the guitar tone. I'm going to use this to record a cover soon, so I'll just show you where I'm up to with that. I'll show you the internal sounds now. So to do that, I think I need to unplug the guitar jack and plug it into the mix, the one that's labelled IPD mix. Okay, so this middle knob here, that's the mix between the guitar sound and the internal synthesizer sound. So at the moment it's just the guitar sound. But if I turn that knob the other way, then that's the internal synthesizer sound, which is patch number 1.1 or 11. That's a bass. Yep. And then you can change the patch, like these are all types of basses by the looks of it. Not that bad. 1, 3. So all of these, so if I go to 1.8, is that still a bass? So the first sound bag, 1, must be all basses, so I'll go to 2, 21. What's this? Don't know, something. 25. Don't know what that is. 31. Some kind of glockenspiel, I think. $41. Oh, that's quite nice. Almost got a song already. We got 45, see what that is. Some sort of like chimes and glockenspiels, I think. Go to 51. Sort of synth pads. $55. $61. No idea what that is. 65. Yeah, more kind of synth pad type stuff. Try 67. Yeah, more synth pads. Try 71. What's that? Out of tune sound. 75. Don't know what that is either. 78. I think these are usable. 81. Ooh, what? That's interesting. What's this? A sound effects? Sound effects. Oh, I think this is a sound effects one. 82. Well, that's not a sound effect. Oh, maybe it is. Sort of sci-fi. 83. Don't know what that is. 84. $85. 86. Some kind of church organ, that's pretty cool actually.
Yeah, I quite like that one. 87. $88. And that's the last one. That's just a sampling of them. I don't know if they sound noisy or not. They sound alright actually, but I'm sure all the capacitors are broken. Maybe I'll do a video of a very short video when I change the capacitors on the synthesizer board. I don't really want to get into doing electronic repair videos because my content is all over the place already, doing like cookery videos and music videos. Probably just confusing people like crazy already. Other things on there, you've got octave, so if you want to play in a higher octave, you can do octave up, octave down, which works a bit like, so if I play and then I press the octave up button, play the same thing, you get it an octave higher, press it again. I think that must be the highest octave for that one. Back down. Down more. Well, I think that's it for now. Thanks if anyone actually watched all of that. Thanks for watching.